Imagine this: BlackRock, the trillion-dollar giant dominating Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, could be the wildcard flipping XRP into millionaire territory overnight. With today's X buzz exploding over their Ripple ties and ETF whispers amid SEC deadlines. XRP is holding strong at $3.07, reclaiming key levels on whale buys and institutional hype. But what if BlackRock's swell 2025 presence signals their entry? If you're an XRP holder, this is insider alpha you can't miss. Stick around as I break down the surge, fresh tweets fueling FOMO, and why October 2025 could redefine your portfolio. Hey everyone, Leo here, your trusted crypto insider unpacking the XRP frenzy that's got the community on fire. Can BlackRock really catapult XRP holders to overnight riches? With XRP surging past $3 on breakout momentum, today's posts from influencers like Signature Crypt highlight 13% gains for dip buyers eyeing all-time highs. This isn't random noise, it's tied to BlackRock's tokenized fund integrations via Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin, bridging trillions in traditional finance to XRPL rails. BlackRock manages over $10 trillion, and while they've confirmed no immediate XRP ETF plans due to regulatory caution and crowded filings from Grayscale to Franklin Templeton, their speaker slot at Ripple's Swell 2025 has X exploding with speculation. But wait, what's Crypto Seth revealing about XRP's monthly breakout and Bloomberg's 75% ETF approval odds? It flips the script on everything. Let's dissect the surge step by step, starting with the ETF avalanche. October's loaded. SEC rulings on spot. XRP ETFs from Bitwise Canary, 21 shares, WisdomTree, ProShares, CoinShares, Grayscale, and more, hitting between October 18th to 25th. Bloomberg pegs odds at 75 to 95%, and even with the government shutdown delaying reviews like Litecoins, new generic listing standards mean issuers can refile fast. Deadlines might not stall the momentum. Take the Rex Osprey XRPR ETF. It debuted with a record $37.7 million in day one volume, the highest for any 2025 launch, proving massive institutional appetite despite short-term dips. If BlackRock pivots, speculated in posts questioning if they're front-running via retail buys, their iShares XRP Trust could launch as early as October 18, echoing Bitcoin's billions in inflows. Analogy: XRPs, the turbocharged bridge in global finance, settling thousands of transactions per second for pennies, leapfrogging SWIFT's clunky legacy. Ripple's post-SEC wintech is primed for tokenization and CBDCs, and BlackRock's Ethereum, Solana, tokenized funds hint at XRP's next frontier. Zooming into today's X firestorm, reactions are buzzing. Posts flag XRP rebounding above $2.90 support, targeting $3.65 to $4.50 if bulls defend, with ETF hype drowning out shutdown jitters. Whales are stacking, VivoPower adding XRP to its treasury, institutional wallets grabbing $928 million worth, plus $380 million already in ETF-like products. Korea's Upbit yanking millions off exchange, XRPL transactions averaging 2.14 million daily in Q1 2025, up 60%. That's real utility detonating. But what if BlackRock's pause is due to XRP's Asia-dominant volume or tepid client demand? Competitors' approvals could still unleash $4 to $8 billion inflows, rocketing $3.07 to $10 plus short-term per forecasts. FOMO intensifies. Tweets predict Q4 explosions topping 300%, mirroring 2017's 1060%, Q4 blast layered with ETF triggers. Community rallying. Bank XRP notes. XRP reclaiming crucial support, questioning if bulls hold for the pump. Deeper technical dive for that pro insight. XRP's firm at $2.80 to $2.95 support, MACD flashing bullish, RSI neutral at 49, poised for upside if volume spikes. Smash $2.80 resistance. Next hurdles $3.10 fib, then $3.33 to $3.50 by month end. What if batch approvals land, supply shock to $10 to $20 as institutions chase scarcity, fueled by Ripple's CTO handover boosting vibes and ISO 2020 unlocking trillions. X is ablaze with crypto Seth calling the breakout, Bloomberg odds at 75%, and posts like Phantom DeFi's on nearly 20 spot ETFs flooding institutional capital. Exclusive edge. BlackRock's tokenized funds could weave in XRP via RLUSD partnerships with VanEck, as analysts see it rivaling Bitcoin for settlements by 2030. XRP is now under Section 1256 for CFTC-regulated futures and 60/40 tax perks, leveling it with BTC/ETH for big money. Expanding on BlackRock's angle, their RL-USD integration via Securitize lets BUIDL and VBILL holders swap for stablecoins 24/7, pumping XRPL liquidity and tokenization plays. Posts speculate retail front-running BlackRock buys, with ETF stores Nate Gerazzi predicting their filing by October to dominate like BTC/ETH. Even without them, 7+ approvals from heavyweights like Wisdom Tree Signal, Wall Street Warming, XRP added to Nasdaq Crypto Index, Osprey's ETF smashing volumes. Analogy? It's like upgrading from a rowboat to a super yacht in payments. BlackRock's hesitation? Strategic, waiting for peak odds amid Polymarket's 77% approval bets. But their swell talk on tokenized assets screams potential pivot, countering doubts if the shutdown or BlackRock's no-go has you second-guessing. Like many skeptics, regulatory haze. Ripple's SEC settlement cleared XRP as non-security. Streamlined processes boost approvals. Polymarket at 77 to 99%. Past fake filings tanked prices briefly, but utility shines. XRPL for seamless payments. Corporates like Vivo Power Treasuries for enduring demand. BlackRock's caution. Crowded field with 20+ filings, but their dominance suggests a late swoop if client interest surges, swell attendance hints at it. What if they drop news post-October 18th? Catalyst for holders? A $1,000 bag from 50 cents? Now $6,000 plus? ETF multiples? Transformative. Without BlackRock, rivals unlock billions, absorbing unlocks smoothly. No dilution panic. XRP's no hype play, it's infrastructure, with CME XRP futures live and whales prepping for the wave. Climax building, hang tight for this, the shift from Ripple's roots to Wall Street powerhouse, with Fidelity, VanEck, BlackRock echoes at swell. October's ETF deadlines, whale stacks, RLUSD bridges, set Q4 for 200 to 300% pops from Q3 lows. Excitement peaks, XRP thrives as dark horse, analysts eyeing $5, $50 to $9 year-end on adoption, even $127 in wild fractals. This sparks epic debates, your target below. Uplifting finale, XRP army, we've endured, now trillions via our rails empower the masses. Wins recap, ETF frenzy ignites, BlackRock links expose upside, whales, technicals cement gains, partnerships forge utility. At $3.07, it's launchpad, FOMO valid, skies unlimited. Not financial advice, Dior always. If this mind-blown you, smash like for 10XRP, comment your prediction to rally the chat, subscribe for exclusive alpha, share with holders. Together, XRP to the moon. Leo out.